most big cities have some pollution, and it's because of cars. Here, cars are only about 20 to 25% of the problem. Cars, trucks, and buses. Then we have some construction equipment and ships and trains and airplanes, which make up another 20%. And then the balance is industry. And that's what really sets the Houston area off from other industrialized areas, in that our industry is much dirtier. It doesn't look dirty. People think that the chemical plants are fairly clean, but they're cleaner than they used to be. They don't have the black smoke. But it turns out they're leaking much worse than we realized, much worse than industry has been reporting over the years. One of the major problems is cooling towers. It turns out that some of these petrochemical liquids and vapors and gases are under very high pressure. The heat exchangers are leaking product into the water. The water gets sprinkled into the cooling tower, and you're getting just massive emissions of chemicals that are carcinogenic. They're smog forming, and industry has not been reporting these emissions. The EPA has somewhat short-sightedly given them the option of reporting by estimate, that if it's a cooling tower, it probably leaks X amount. And so industry said, well, that's a good number, we'll use that. And only recently, in 2000, did the airplane flights over the ship channel show that these industries were polluting 6 to 10 times the amount of pollution that they were reporting. And one of the problems of the agency in formulating our cleanup plan for reducing ozone has been that somehow the mathematical models didn't work. And so industry said, well, the mathematical models don't work. Well, that's because industry wasn't reporting their emissions properly. They were just reporting some estimate that had no relation to truth. And so sure enough, the mathematical models didn't work at all. And only when the agency just arbitrarily tweaked the model up by 6 to 10 times did the calculations turn out correct. Oh, isn't that amazing? So we've had a problem, and part of that problem has been that industry just hasn't been reporting their emissions.